how to legit check shoes on an app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can legit check shoes on an app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is search for the legit app on the Apple Store or Google Play. Download it and sign up using Apple, Facebook or Google. After that, you need to buy some legit tokens from the token store. Then select a plan that suits your needs and you're good to go. Now, follow the photo guidelines in the app. Then tap on sneakers from the category, choose your brand and select the exact model. After that, choose your preferred turnaround time for the results. Over here, take 12 pictures of your shoes from different angles. Capture both sides of the shoe, the heel, outsole, top and back of the insole, inside sewing, and the tongue. Then include photos of the box stamp and box label. If you don't have the box, just select no box. After that, upload all the pictures along with your request. Then the Legit app will use expert authenticators and AI analysis to process your request. Finally, you'll receive a notification with the result, labeling your shoes as authentic or replica. If they are authentic, you can download a digital certificate of authenticity for your records or future resale. So that's how you can legit check shoes on an app. That's all for this video.